Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zoho Projects to Slack channel alerts. Easy tutorial step by step. To connect Zoho Projects to Slack channel alerts, start by logging into your Zoho Projects account. Navigate to the desired project you wish to integrate with Slack. Look for the project settings option in the project dashboard. Click on webhooks from the settings menu. You will see an option to add a new webhook. Select Add Webhook to create a new integration. In a new tab, log into your Slack account. Go to the channel where you want to receive alerts. Click on the channel name at the top of the Slack window. Choose Integrations from the drop-down menu. Look for the Incoming Webhooks section and click Add. Select the channel you want to use for receiving alerts and click on Add Incoming Webhook. Copy the generated webhook URL. Return to your Zoho Projects tab. Paste the Slack webhook URL into the designated field in the webhook setup. Configure the specific triggers you want, such as task updates or comments. Set the desired notification settings for each trigger. Save the webhook settings in Zoho Projects. Now, go back to your Slack channel to ensure the integration is active. Perform a test by creating a task or making a change in Zoho Projects. Check your Slack channel for alerts confirming the successful integration. Your Zoho Projects and Slack integration is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.